again with another video. Finally, I'm back in the car, driving again. If you guys have been following up with the videos, you also saw that I had a flat tire for the longest time. I don't know if it was slashed or I still don't know to this day, or it's just me driving on a low tire that caused the sidewall to cut open. But my car's been parked for like a week. It's finally back up and running again, yo. But hey, how you guys been, bro? I know I haven't made a video in probably like 4 days now, but we back again on the grind. I'm just driving to school right now, so I'm kind of just making the intro, and I'm probably going to do a POV after once I'm leaving and everything, because right now there's way too much traffic to do anything. But also I just want to say, yo, huge thank you to all of you guys. We hit 10k subs 2 days ago, and I didn't even make a video, bro, because I had nothing to record. I was just waiting to get my car back, and that's actually crazy because my goal was to hit 10k by the end of this year. And today is October 10th, I believe, and we're already at 10k, so we hit 10k on October 8th. That is actually crazy, yo. Hello windy out here, bro. If y'all remember the last video, the last time I was walking right here, I was gonna start a POV just like this, and that's when I noticed my tire was messed up. So I'm going to do a good walk around right now, make sure everything is all straight. Yes, sir. That's a new tire, and funny thing, it's a winter tire, bro, because I gotta put on winter tires soon. That same bird poop is still there. Haven't washed the car yet. Show y'all that diffuser too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Also, let me know what y'all think about the new badge, bro. The anniversary badge. I kind of like it. I think it looks good with the black. But yeah, some crazy mods coming this weekend for the car. Super excited for that. It's gonna be a long day installing mods, but it's gonna be worth it after. So today's Thursday, and I'm probably gonna install them on Saturday or Sunday. Let me give y'all a little startup too. Yeah, not bad. I still gotta get my res delete, and funny thing, bro, I should have already gotten that just because I couldn't drive the car, so I didn't even bother booking at the shop. I can't wait to finish building this car. It's gonna take a little while because right now it is freezing, yo, and I live in Canada, so winter and all of that, but I will see the progress. I swear these sleeves are not as short as they look. It just always goes up for some reason. I don't know, but it is what it is. Probably just roll it up a little bit too. I want to do a launch control right here so bad, but the car is not warm. Give it a little pull though. Won't do nothing too crazy. Hope traffic isn't too bad today because it's 3:06, so it's kind of getting to rush hour. Not quite yet though. Damn, that's some crazy burbles. Y'all heard that, bro? That's the loudest I've heard this car pop since I've owned it. That is crazy, yo. That sounds like I got a whole tune on there. I did not expect that. But yeah, you guys take your guesses what the next mods are gonna be. Like I said, one of them is cosmetic, and the other one is kind of a performance mod. And the fact that I said kind of, y'all should be able to guess what it is. But it is gonna be crazy. And I'm also doing, actually it's gonna be 3 mods. 2 of them are cosmetic, but one of them is something small. I've never seen anyone else do this mod, but it's something I've always had in my mind. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. If I don't like it, I can always just go back to the regular thing. But I wanna hear y'all guesses in the comments if anyone can guess what I'm doing. Just to come at a red light. Damn, that's embarrassing. And this guy's stopping right beside me. I swear, y'all never see me cut up, bro. I never cut up though. That's just me. Maybe if the traffic isn't too bad on the highway, I'll do a little something. The pop sound loader, bro. Traffic looks alright. But I know I'm gonna exit soon, that's the thing. traffic is bad. I actually thought it wasn't that bad, bro. I don't know if it's just me, but whatever lane I go in, it's always the slowest lane. I really need my burbles back. I don't know how some people don't like burbles. I feel like they definitely can be too much, and when I first tuned my last of 30, it was definitely too much because I maxed them out. But like the right amount of burbles, that is perfect. You can come in, bro. This road is crazy, yo. And I gotta get all the way in the left lane. I think there's someone trying to get over too. Nah, this is crazy, bro. This ain't even a POV, this is just me trying to get home. Me against traffic. Little pull under here. Bro, I'm just gonna go straight. Even this corner, I could take it at full speed. Imagine. Nah, don't listen to me, bro. You gotta brake. This is kind of a longer route, but there's less traffic, so I'm just gonna do it. Probably still save some time. Turbo sounds crazy. Yeah, man, I think I'm ever gonna make it out. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this one off. Yeah, y'all hear them burbles, bro? It's coming in slowly but surely without a tune. Damn. Even the shifting sounds crazy. And I don't got my transmission tuned yet because I'm gonna get XHP again. That's a must. I used to think it's not even that big of a deal, but once you get it and once you've tried it out, y'all will see what I'm talking about, bro. A lot of people just tune their cars like the DME just for power, like stage 1, stage 2, stuff like that, but no one really does XHP. But once you go XHP, you can never go back. Right now, this shifting speed, it looks fast and it looks alright on video, but when you actually drive a car with XHP and one without, it's a crazy difference, and it sounds better too. Yeah, I'll probably be able to fit. Let's see if I can steal a spot. Yeah, I'm low-key gonna try to go in right there. See, there's some good people in the world. Can't lie to y'all. My phone going everywhere. I know why I don't just put it in my pocket, to be honest. Y'all hear that turbo, bro? I can't be the only one. Yo, I know y'all are hearing that, bro. Someone watching with a big turbo probably laughing at me right now. Hell nah, I ain't going behind everybody. Clean, I believe it's A5, I don't know. Oh, S5, my bad. I can see that it's fall, bro. All the leaves are turning like orange, bro, and they're all falling off the trees right now. I know what you stopping for. They don't got a stop sign, bro, only me. But yeah, let me know if y'all like fall, bro. I like the way it looks, but it sucks because, you know, after fall it's winter. And I like winter, to be honest. I like the vibe, the Christmas energy and all, but I don't like the snow, because with the snow, you can't do nothing to your car. Stuck behind people, but I don't know how long this video is. Hopefully I enjoyed it though. Like I said, some new mods coming. My next video should be something off the mods, maybe not, I'm not sure, but if it's not the next video, it's gonna be the one after that. But hopefully I enjoy this one, bro. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see as well, because I know sometimes you guys want to see some videos, but I can't really think of all the ideas. So if y'all got any suggestions or anything, just feel free to let me know in the comments. I appreciate you guys so much. Like I said, we hit 10K, and I'll catch y'all again whenever I get some more mods on this car.